Hello, today we will walk you through the Unpivot feature in AETL. What I find helpful is to be able to visualize what you want to do. So I have a file which contains declarations ID, and against each of these declarations ID we get a file link and a file name. Okay, so here we have shipping, invoice and PL. The output that we want is each of these types to have their own line. So that means shipping to have its own declaration ID, its own link and file, invoice to have it, PL to have it. Okay. Now let's quickly run through. We will showcase Unpivot feature. Okay. Now let's come over here, and I want a text file, and I want to load this file from over here. Nope. Oops. 1 second. Okay, so I've loaded my file. I do not need any validator. Validator is used if you would want to validate some records or reject some records based on a criteria. We'll remove this. We want an unpivot feature here. Okay, we come to unpivot. We straightforward jump to pivot mapping. Okay, we want declaration ID to come to us as is without any changes. Okay, so we come back to declaration ID and we say give me declaration underscore ID and pass it through, no changes here. Okay, we want all the links to come under column link, so link, and this is to be a file, link, file, link, file. Okay, and we want each of them to have this value, ship, invoice and PL. Right, so we come back and this entire group is named called ship, invoice, PL. This is it. You come here, load up your writer. So I love CSV files. I'm gonna come over here and I'll again select something over here and I'll say give me the files in C, G drive, all.csv. I like items in UTF formats, and I want a header to be created, overwrite it, text qualifier, quotes. Okay, now this is a cool feature with writer wherein as of now it's a blank file, but you can decide which columns you want, right? So I come over here, copy fields, and I want all of my items to be copied from the Unpivot feature. So here we are, all three items. I connect this over here, I come back to my transformer, these are my names, I select the auto map feature, click on map now, all of my items are mapped, I click OK, and I run this and I refresh this, right? So 6 rows have converted into 18 rows each. Here we have ship, invoice and PL with its own name, and you can go ahead and call each of these columns something else as well. So let's come and say I want to call it category. Okay, I come back to my transformation, I see it is automatically mapped it again for me. I run it back again with this here and I come to my, here we are. Smart. If you have any more questions, please do come to the forums. The developers are super responsive. Hope this helps you. Thank you very much.